Hey guys, this is your host Yasir from the Techie Newbie, and today we'll be starting the e-study section of our channel. Without wasting our time, let's get started. So let's begin with the structures. Vitamin A consists of three structures which constitute of a name called vitamin A. So these structures are the retinol, which is the alcoholic group, the retinal, which has the aldehydic group, and the retinoic acid, which has the carboxylic acid group. All of these three structures consist of an aromatic ring with a methyl group attached on the third carbon and one dimethyl group attached at the first carbon. This structure is known as the beta ionone, while the aliphatic side chain, which is an 8 carbon side chain, is known as the isoprenoid, that are the two molecules of isoprenoid. While the retinol consists of a methanol group at the 8th carbon, and the retinal consists of an aldehydic group which is linked at the 8th carbon, and the retinoic acid consists of a carboxylic acid group which is on the 8th carbon. Coming to the fourth structure, that is known as the beta carotene, consists of the same beta ionone ring with the aliphatic side chain and the mirror image of same moiety joined by the methylene bridge. It is the mirror image, so it may be optically active. Coming to the second important part, that is the chemistry. Vitamin A comes from animal origin, while the beta carotene is only derived from plants. Vitamin A, that is the retinol, retinal, and the retinoic acid, are combinedly known as the vitamers of vitamin A. Besides vitamers, beta carotene is also known as the provitamin, which is derived from plant origin. The most important fact is that retinol can be interconverted to retinal and retinal can be interconverted to retinol, while the retinoic acid cannot be converted into retinal or retinol. The three vitamins of vitamin A, retinol, retinal, and retinoic acid, are structurally similar with a different functional group. Beta carotene. Beta carotene is taken up by the intestinal cells and cleaved into two molecules of retinal. Let us see how the vitamins and the beta carotene are absorbed and transported in the body, and let's see their biochemical functions. We all know that vitamin A is essential for visual cycle. Let's see how it is taken up and absorbed in the body. Our diet consists of beta carotene and retinyl esters. These retinyl esters are converted into retinol in presence of free fatty acids. The beta carotene goes into the intestinal cells. This beta carotene is converted into retinal, and then the retinal is converted into retinol. This retinol in presence of free fatty acids get converted into retinyl esters. These retinyl esters gets combined with chylomicrons and are transported to the liver. This leads to the formation of all-trans retinol, which is converted into retinyl palmitate, which is a reversible reaction, and this retinyl palmitate is stored in the liver. The excess of retinol is then taken up by the retina and is converted into all-trans retinal and used in the visual cycle. The excess of retinol which was left from the liver is converted into retinol RBP complex, which is taken up by the target cell. This retinol is converted into retinoic acid and which binds to a specific receptor, that is the nuclear receptor on the mRNA, and codes for a specific protein which is helpful in cell differentiation. So the summary is, the beta carotene, which is an antioxidant, is converted into retinol, which is a steroid hormone, and the retinol is converted into either into retinal or retinyl phosphate. Retinal is used in visual cycle and the retinyl phosphate is used in glycoprotein synthesis. The retinal which is used in the visual cycle is converted into retinoic acid which is responsible for growth and cell differentiation. Let's see how the vitamin A is involved in vision. Retina consists of rods and cones. Rods are about 10 million, cones are about 5 million. Rods are involved in dim light vision while the cones are involved in bright light vision. Colored vision. Cones are involved in the colored vision. The pigments involved are porphyropsin, iodopsin and cyanopsin. Porphyropsin is red in color, iodopsin is green in color and cyanopsin is blue in color. These all are retinal opsin complexes. Let's see the mechanism of colored vision. When bright light falls on retina, there is bleaching of one or more pigments as we have seen the three pigments. There is differentiation in the pigments leading to the color perception by the brain. Let us now see what the Wald's visual cycle involves. The rhodopsin, which has a molecular weight of 35,000, is a conjugated protein. It is a complex of 11 cis retinal and opsin. In the visual cycle, the rhodopsin breaks down into 11 cis retinal and opsin. This 11 cis retinal goes through isomerization and gets converted into all trans retinal, which gets converted into all trans retinol in the presence of alcohol dehydrogenase, which is secreted from liver, and there is conversion of NADH plus H plus into NAD plus. All trans retinol isomerizes to form 11 cis retinol in the liver, and this 11 cis retinol in the presence of alcohol dehydrogenase gets converted into 11 cis retinal, and there is conversion of NAD plus to NADH and H plus. This 11 cis retinal gets converted into rhodopsin, and this cycle goes on and on again and again, and there is a nerve impulse. Now let's see what is dark adaptation time. When a person shifts from a bright room to a dark room, the stored rhodopsin in his retina gets depleted. This leads to the impaired vision, which after a few minutes the rhodopsin is restored. The time in which the rhodopsin is restored is known as the dark adaptation time. Besides being used in the visual cycle, the vitamers of the vitamin A and the beta carotene have other biochemical functions. Let us see some of the important functions. The retinol and the retinoic acid function as steroid hormone which are used in cell growth and cell differentiation. The retinyl phosphate is necessary for glycoprotein synthesis. The carotenoids function as antioxidants and reduce the risk of cancer initiated by free radicals and oxidants. It is also beneficial to prevent heart attacks. It's time for RDA, the recommended dietary allowances. It is expressed in retinol equivalents. One retinol equivalent is equal to 6 microgram of beta carotene is equal to 12 microgram of other carotenoids is equal to 3.33 international units of vitamin A in terms of retinol is equal to 10 international units of vitamin A in terms of beta carotene. For adults, the dietary allowance is 1000 retinol equivalents, that is equal to 3500 international units, and 800 retinol equivalents for women, which is 2500 international units. The dietary sources of vitamin A include the animal sources and the plant sources. The animal sources include liver, kidney, egg, milk, fish, liver oil of cod and shark, etc. The plant sources include carrot, spinach, papaya, mango, pumpkins, etc. Coming to the deficiency part, vitamin A deficiency leads to night blindness, that is the increase in dark adaptation time, xerophthalmia. It has an effect on growth, it has an effect on reproduction, it may lead to sterility in males, effect on skin and epithelial cells. What is hypervitaminosis? Hypervitaminosis is the increased concentration of vitamin A. This increased concentration leads to toxicity. The increased concentration of retinol leads to the increase in lysosomal hydrolases. Symptoms include dermatitis, decalcification of skeleton, and enlargement of liver. Wrap up the video. That's it from vitamin A. If you like the video, go smash that like button. If you haven't, press the like button. If you want more updates on e-study, hit that red subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.